So we have decided that we are going to fit the big sliding door window, which is this thing here, which is made by, well, we got it from Camperglass. I wasn't going to do it today because I'm a little bit tired after doing the little second side window, but Steve from Hugo Van has come round and he said he's going to give us a hand, so make hay while the sun shines, because apparently the weather's going to be terrible for the next few days or a week or a month, so we better get it done. Right, best crack on. So Brenda's given it a nice clean before we cover the van up a little bit to stop any of those nasty iron filings getting on, because they really do rust the van up. Horrible things. Right, we're going to cut around this big hole. It's especially designed for us to cut round. It's not really, but looks like a good idea to me. So I'm not going to record everything because it's going to take too long. We're running out of time, so I'll just put it on a like a video burst thing, and I think that'll capture it, won't it? Right, let's try with the jigsaw. Right, there's just one little bit left. Oh, it's going a bit banana. Right.
That's it.
Try not to twist it. There's this last little bit. Hey!
You got a hole.
Oh my goodness me. Well, we have no choice, we've got to put it in now. Oh my goodness me, what have we done? So I just went round with the grounder and cleaned the edges a little bit. I find it's quite a good way of doing it. I'm just cleaning it a little bit so I can get some paint around the edges. Good. We're going to have to make sure we get all these filings off. Plus it'll make a right mess. So I've just gone along with the paint, and it's all fine and dandy, and we're going to put the trim on next. The sun's in my eyes. And then we're going to shove this window in. Nice and easy. Oops. So we're just going around with this trim. Hopefully it'll go on because it's double thickness. It's going on there. There's a little... My arms open. I wasn't going to do this today, but Steve has made me do it. And Brenda's got scared and gone to the shops. I hope she brings some beer back. Sweet beer. So I put up with the aches and pains in my arms and went all the way around with the trim and did a nice neat job.
Make sure you do that, because I'm sure Mel did that yesterday.
Look, if Mel does it this way, I'm sure it's the right way. Ooh, shiny! What do we have to do, Bren?
Clean everything.
You get these nice cleany wipe things that you have to go around the window with and round the van. It helps to get rid of any grease that you might have put on from your fingers. So now we've got this scary primer to put on, so I'm thinking about going about an inch in from the end. And apparently you have to go... What did you say?
This is what we always do. Guarantee you.
Now on the vine. So now is a scary bit where well, it's all been scary to be honest. And now I've got to go around. I'm going to go around the door itself rather than the window. Because I think if you put it on the window, it's going to get, you might get it on your fingers, mightn't you? So, yeah, so let's go around. It's got one of these special nozzles on the end. Let's have a look, see if you can see it. There you go. So make sure you go in like that so you're getting the full thickness of it. So with a big help from Steve and Brenda as well, we managed to lift the window up and push it in. Make sure you squash it in nice and hard and the goo squashes out so it's all going to get a good stick and make a nice waterproof seal. We were about knackered by now, man.
Want to go a little bit more that way then? This is room that way. Yeah, that'll do, that'll do.
Hey, it's starting to look like Foxy the van. Special thanks to Mandy and Steve who've come along to help us today. Don't forget to check out their channel and their Instagram channel. What's it called?
Instagram Campervan 2.
So there it is, all fitted. And doesn't it look good? Hopefully it won't fall out. I'm sure it won't. Actually, it's a few days later now and it's been raining and we've checked it and there's been no leaks whatsoever on this one, so I'm really happy with it. I'll show you the inside. Come and have a look. Can you get up, Bren? And this is what it looks like from the inside, which I think it looks really good. And it's a slidey window too. So that's a lot. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up, please. And please subscribe. It's completely free, you know, isn't it, Brenda?
It certainly is.
And we will catch you next time. Thanks very much.
Bye.
Bye, Bren.